So I've removed the wind damage shingle. You can see the crease. You can see where the shingle 2 rows above, its nails were going through. And in removing the shingle, it actually damaged the shingle. Not that it matters because we're replacing it. Next, I'm going to remove any nails that would keep the shingle, the new shingle that is, from laying completely flat. You can see that the step flashing was bent because there was a step flashing nail holding this shingle in place, thus bending the step flashing, and now this doesn't lay as flat as it did before. So I'm going to proceed to remove these additional nails. You can see that we have the nails, they're holding the shingle in place, and then those nails strike into that from the damaged shingle. Those are the damaged shingle's nails. So we're just removing these nails so we have a flat surface for the new shingle to lay down and seal properly.